Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go about creating a combination chart in Google Sheets. You're going to need to do this for your Climatograph. So what I've done is I found climate data for Washington, D.C. You can see that here on the screen. So in the very top in the first row, I have month, and then I go January through December. Second row, my heading over here is temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. January through December, there's data there. Then I've got precipitation in inches. So the way to go about creating the kind of chart you need for a climatograph is go ahead and highlight all this data. In Google Sheets, you're going to go up to Insert, and you're going to insert a chart. Now, Google Sheets is pretty good with regard to creating a combo chart, but there's a couple of things that we need to do to make this right in terms of what we're looking for. Right now, temperature is actually in a bar graph and precipitation is in a line graph. And we actually want to switch those up, and we want to turn temperature red and precipitation blue. So what we do is we go over here to set up. We're all good with a combo chart. Everything is good here. What we want to do is we want to customize. So when we customize, we're going to go to the two different series. The two different series we have are temperature and precipitation. So what we've got is we have a series we want to apply to all series here. We want to change it to temperature. Temperature, what we're going to do is change temperature to a line and then change temperature to red. We want it as its scale on the left-hand axis, so we're good here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up and we're going to change to precipitation. Precipitation, we're going to make a column. We're also going to make it blue. And we actually want to put it over here on the right axis. So we have two separate scales here. So now what we're seeing over here on the left, we're seeing temperature in Fahrenheit, and over here we're seeing precipitation in inches. Notice we have the labels down here on the bottom in terms of month. What we want to do is we actually want to change the name of our chart. So we'll go up here and we'll bring series up and we'll go to chart and access titles. So here's the chart title. Okay, let's go ahead and get that thing, we're going to get that thing centered. And then what we're going to do is change this to Climatograph, Washington, D.C. Okay, and what you'll do is, well, I spelled graph wrong. Climatograph, Washington, D.C. What you're going to do is you're going to do Climatograph, and whatever the name of your biome is, you'll put it there. Then what we want to do is we want to make sure that we've got our axis titles. So vertical axis title refers to the one on the left. Right vertical axis title is the one on the right. So the vertical axis title, here we're going to make this temperature in Fahrenheit. And then the right vertical axis title is going to be precipitation in inches. And that right there is all you have to do to be able to create your climatograph for your biome. And I hope that's helpful.